Aanii, kina, waya. Hello everyone. It's been a while since I've done a Anishinaabemowin video, and there's multiple reasons for that. Mainly just life and also just mental health, trying to take care of myself and my mental well-being. So that also goes with this video that I wanted to do for you guys is specifically talking about Zhiyaawin feelings, Zhiyaawin, or the art of feelings. I feel like it's really important to be able to recognize and acknowledge your own feelings. So today we're going to be going over 20 different phrases in Anishinaabemowin that expresses how you're feeling. So Mashtada, let's begin. Also, just a side note, I might be looking down a lot because I got my notes like always. So how you would ask someone how they are is you would say Anishna, and then the other person would reply Gitchinendam Anishna Gegi. And so what the second person said was, I'm very happy, and how are you? Another way to ask someone how they're feeling is by saying Anishinaabemowin. That's another way of saying how are you. But the difference is this is saying how are you feeling? Anishinaabemowin. That yin at the end makes it you. So I'm asking you how you're feeling. The 20 different phrases I have for you, we will start off with indepsini. I'm full. Indepsini. So you just say like a big meal, or you overate and you'd be like, oh, indepsini. That means you're full. The second one is mbakede. That means I'm hungry. Mbakede. The third one is ndakos. Ndakos. That means I'm sick. The fourth one is minanaya. I am fine. Minanaya. The fifth one is gawin minayasi. Gawin minayasi. That means I am not well. The sixth one is ndukwe. Ndukwe. That means I have a headache. The seventh one is ngitim. Ngitim. That means I am lazy. The eighth one is ndeekos. Ndeekos. And that means I am tired. Ndeekos is sounds very similar to ndakos. In my head I always confuse them, and how I came to differentiate between them was, if you think back to action words, that's in one of my previous videos going over action words. The action word for to be sick is akwaze. So to say I'm sick would be ndakos. Akwaze. For ndakos, what you're pretty much doing is dropping the I at the end. So that's the difference I make between ndakos and ndeekos. And it's that pronunciation too. Ninth one is ngikimgosh. That's like my favorite one to say is ngikimgosh. That one means I'm sleepy. Ngikimgosh. The 10th one is namana dendam. Namana dendam. That means I'm angry or upset. The 11th one is namam ka dendam. Namam ka dendam. I am surprised. 12th one is mbingech. Mbingech. That means I am cold. The 13th phrase is nzeze. Nzeze. That means I'm scared. The 14th one is nishkades. Nishkades. That means I am angry. I know that I already said another phrase for I am angry, but there's multiple phrases to say how you're feeling. The 15th one is Baashkaabigwaanii. Baashkaabigwaanii. That means I'm thirsty. The 16th one is ngisa dendam. Ngisa dendam. That means I am feeling sad or down. The 17th one is Zhiyaawin. I'm feeling full of energy. Number 18 is Anishinaabemowin. I'm very happy. The 19th one is kina. Everything is good. Kina. The 20th one is which means I am excited. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I just want to reinforce that it's always good to talk about your feelings, and to do it in Anishinaabemowin even is very powerful. You know, it's empowering to be able to talk in our language and say our feelings in our language even. So I just really want to stress, you know, that however you're feeling, it's always good, always okay to talk about them. I've been in therapy since I was 18 on and off, and took me a while to find someone that, you know, I felt like I could tell everything to. And it's really hard to talk about your feelings, you know, especially being raised with intergenerational trauma. It's not the norm to talk about how we're feeling. It's usually just bottling it up, not talking about it. And, you know, they always say that it's the third generation that's going to break those cycles. So I just want to say how important and how beautiful it is to express our feelings. So esna, thank you guys very much for listening to me, for wanting to learn the language. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. And also before any of you guys go, I did make a brainscape flashcard set for these 20 phrases to help you guys learn them. And if you do or don't use them, please let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think, and also what you think about this video, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I will be doing more language videos in the future. How soon? I don't know. But I hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend.